Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Fiesta, 2011 to 2013? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford Fiesta, 2011 to 2013, houses fuses that protect electrical components such as the interior lights, radio, power windows, and climate control system. It includes both mini and micro fuses for various low-current circuits. The fuse layout is clearly labeled for easy identification. This box helps isolate and protect circuits to prevent electrical overloads. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 Ford Fiesta contains high current fuses and relays for essential systems like the engine control unit, cooling fan, ABS, and fuel system. It is designed to handle circuits with higher power demands. The fuse box includes both cartridge and mini fuses for various components. Clear labeling helps in quick identification and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2012 and 2013 Ford Fiesta manages high current circuits for key systems such as the engine management, headlights, ABS, and battery charging. It includes a combination of mini, maxi, and cartridge fuses along with relays. The layout is organized for efficient diagnostics and replacement. Each fuse and relay is labeled for easy reference. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.